So it is a very rainy day today. A lot of clouds up in the sky doing their thing. And we stopped at one of the nicer gas stations to make a pit stop at. And I'm going to have something that I haven't had in a while, which is Marzipan. It's really good. It's a nice little treat. This one's for you though, so you can try it. I got another one in there.
Huh, that's weird. They used to sell these at this Mexican restaurant we would go to, but I never got one before.
Yep, I'm 7.
I'm 7.
I'm just tired of eating like greasy ass burgers, so I purchased some overpriced Lunchables from the gas station because that's how desperate I am. So we have like 5 or 6 more jobs. We just did our first one of the day, and yeah, we're just gonna keep on trucking. And yeah, I'm probably gonna take a fat ass nap at some point. I think we're too close to the next job to do that, but yeah, there's no way I can't nap when I'm just looking for this. Can't really see. That's you.
Smith. Thank you very much.
Ah, no problem.
My lunch has arrived. Peen pies.
To be fair, it's like dessert to go with the Lunchables.
Dessert for us. That's just fucking great. A train.
Motherfucker driving it, that's a personal vendetta against me. Or you.
He did it just to piss us off. Well, I'm home now, obviously. And, you know, I was thinking about getting my lights done today. But I'm just not feeling it. Just like generally feeling like bleh. Quite the opposite of yesterday because I got so much stuff done. But I think I'm just gonna chill. It's 6:30 already. I'm just gonna chill, play some Batman maybe, and yeah. That's it for today, I guess. Thanks for watching. Just a regular, boring day-to-day for once.